Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a first impression on this Kima braid. Here is a crochet here, but now I see on Instagram and YouTube people are doing a sewing or gluing really quick hair tutorial, but they're not really showing the hair that they're using except for the strands that they're using, but they're not showing the actual pack that they are using. So I went to my local beauty supply store. They ran out of colors. This is the only blonde color they have, so I have to get it at the time, for this time being, because I wanted to do the hair tutorial. So I'm gonna be using this is the Harlem 125 Kima braid hair. So it says soft dreadlock, 14 inch, and this is in the color 613. Okay, I also did a tutorial on this hair, but I had to separate the hair. I think though that video is like a old video when I started YouTube a couple years ago. So I did a hair, like crochet hair, by separating the strands and things like that. But for this, you don't do that. So you literally have to you literally have to put the strands on the hair itself and then actually sew it and let it be. So this is what the hair looks like. Yes, y'all, I don't know what blonde is gonna do for me, but we just gonna do what we have. Okay, so I'm not sure how many strands here, but I did pick up 2 packs just in case it's not enough. You rather have leftover than you don't have enough hair. So let me see how many strands are in here, and because honey, they tie this thing into, okay, so this is it right here, and let me count how many strands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 strands per pack. So that's 30. So I know I'm not going to use all, I can't say 30. I don't want to say I can't use all, because I'm not sure how much hair I'm going to be using. So, but yeah, this is what the strand looks like. This, so you can unravel the strands like this, like that, and then sew it on. Instead of just leaving it just like this, you can just unravel it a little bit, and it looks like it's going back to its original state, but at least you can play with it a little bit so it can wake up, so yeah. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to also show you a cap that I'm going to be using, but that cap, I actually got it from home when I recently went. Yeah, so let me show you. This is what the strands look like. So you can't cut this because, well, you can, it's not like you can, but according to the tutorial, just leave it like this and it gives you that pattern look. But like I said, you can do your own style, whatever works for you. You don't have to do what everybody is doing, but you can make your own. But I don't know how blonde looks, y'all, on me. Let's just see how blonde is gonna work, y'all. I don't know, but it's a cap, so you ain't gonna see my hair, you just gonna see my face. But I guess the face gotta be beat before, because blonde is, you gotta rock it. Okay, so if they would have had like a 27 or something, but they only have this, y'all. This. Look at that. Okay. So let me show you the cap that I'm going to be using with this. You can use any cap because this is a you can't even show the net or whatsoever. Everything is going to be covered up while you're sewing. So yeah, so let me show you the cap. So this is the cap I'm going to be using. Like I said, I got this cap from home when I recently went. So this is what I'm going to be using. So it's very stretchy. You can do whatever you want to do with it. The lace already came with it when I got it. So yeah, so this is how it's going to look. So I'm just gonna put it on a mannequin head and yeah, and just, you know, so this strap right here, you can have, it's another one here. So these two straps go like this. So yeah, and then have you can adjust it to your length of your, this is the holes. You can put the straps in, and you know, to make it tighter on you, like this, like that. Put it back here like this, and then flip the hat over, and then make sure you don't sew the straps when you're sewing, because you want to leave space. Make sure you don't sew it. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I'm gonna be using, but I just wanted to show you here first impression of my this, they call it the straw curls. The girls are calling it now, instead of the Kima braids, soft dreadlocks, they're calling it the straw curls. So this is what we're gonna be using. So I think this color is very, very beautiful, but the only thing is, I wish I had something else to literally have to match it with, or use it with, or mix it up with. You understand what I mean? Instead of by itself. But again, I have no choice but to, right now, my only what do you call it, beauty supply store, this is what they have, so we're gonna make it work. So alright guys, so I just want to show you the first impression. This is very soft. This is just a dreadlocks, you know, we have been using for years and stuff. So it's soft and beautiful. It's light as well. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you first impression of this new thing that is on YouTube right now, and Instagram, and even TikTok. So yeah, so it's multiple ways you can also use these, not just, you know, you can also glue these and stuff like that, whatever works for you, you know. Okay, so the one that I used before, when I did the tutorial on my channel, I had to unravel it like this, but the hairstyle for this, you don't have to unravel anything, you know what I mean? You don't have to unravel, you know, you just have to leave it whole like this. So yeah, so if you have questions or whatsoever, let me know down below. Or, you know, this here costs $5.99. So yeah, it costs $5.99, and you can beat it for 15 strands, you know, this. But my only thing is, I'm not used to this color, so I'm kind of like, you know, I don't want to say scared. I don't know if you're literally gonna look right on me or not, but we're gonna see. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. All right, bye bye now.